'Twas 3 months till December when a thought did occur, what to craft for the Gatton CNC Christmas project of 2024. With computer and mouse, my design came to life, a snowman and tree in a globe with lots of height. In Illustrator's glow, I traced out my plan and added LED channels as only one can. Quickly said time with its mischievous grin, "You'll never keep pace, you'll never begin." But I didn't delay, I pressed on with speed, exporting my work as an SVG. To Blender I ventured my 2D design flat. I'll make it 3D, there's no challenge in that. Faces were raised and lights found their groove, extrusions were added, my globe was in move. The 3D print waited, 10 plates came to be, 22 pieces, connectors, all free. Time whispered again, "You'll run out of day," but I sliced, cued, and printed, no moment to stray. Then came a new thought, one I couldn't resist, a laser-cut plate. Oh, what a twist! Backer in white with snowflakes and flare, a Baltic birch front for a glow beyond compare, but the laser fought back. 3 days it did stall, all over a set screw. Oh, the trials of it all. But at last I prevailed, the pieces were done, but time wasn't finished, it had more to run. In haste to proceed, assembly began, with glue in my hand and a rough-hewn plan. "Grab super glue," my viewers exclaimed, and CA accelerator to speed up the game. Each piece found its spot as I worked with care, though glue on my fingers gave me a scare. The board fits together steady and true, despite sticky fingers covered in glue. "Tick-tock," said time, "you'll never be through," but I pressed on and proved that wasn't true. Each moment I fought, each lesson I learned, a project completed, a minor victory earned. The cold set in, bitter and cruel, yet paint wouldn't wait, I had to push through. The primer was sprayed, the sanding began, each piece took shape in my unsteady hand. The backer gleamed white like snow on the ground, while baby blue skies and silver swirled round. Those seams still showed despite my repairs, each piece told a story that time didn't care. The 3D globe took on a vibrant hue, gold from the trim, and the snowman white too. Green for the tree with a mist to disguise, the air bubbles hidden like frosted skies. Black for the ground where Frosty would stand, each color a story, each stroke not so carefully planned. But time wasn't done its mischievous cries, "You'll never finish, just look how it dries." With nervous hands I left it to sit, and went inside to write this skit. As I pieced it together with glue and a prayer, the cold tried to slow me, but I didn't care. The seams were a challenge, the bondo a fight, but from 5 feet away, they came out just right. A video was needed to share this feat, yet time still whispered, "You won't complete." But I kept my focus, keys did clack, determined to keep time off my back. With time still lurking, its whispers unkind, the LEDs waited, a task on my mind. Each light found its place in the 3D print's groove, though their stubborn resistance slowed my move. Then came the challenge of parts to align, the backer, the front, and globe combine. With glue at the ready and patient in tow, I worked to ensure it all matched just so. Time smirked and said, "This will never adhere," but I pressed on, ignoring its tick-tocking sneer. Piece by piece, the structure took shape. As I stressed and worried, would it look great? Would the lights shine true or reveal every flaw? Time smirked again, pointing out what it saw. I pressed my eyes tight. Would it be worry or delight? My fingers pressed on, the glow lit the night. What I saw was beyond what I hoped I'd to see, a shining creation, my festive marquee. The Snowglobe stood proud, its light shining bright, a festive creation born from the fight. Its flaws were still there, each seam, every line, but they couldn't overshadow this victory of mine. For time had loomed, its whispers unkind, yet I pressed on, leaving time far behind. The project was finished, the video complete, and time, the villain, had faced his defeat. Though not without fault, it still brings me cheer, a reminder of progress year after year. So with this tale, I send you some cheer. Merry Christmas to all, and a Happy New Year. Let time be your gift, not a burden to bear, and may every season bring projects to share.